Wedding fairs. I just attended a wedding fair yesterday, a local one to me at a venue that recommend me, and so I thought I'd share with you the setup, the things I take, the things I have on display and why, and the reasons behind it all, and some practices and tips. If you're looking to attend wedding fairs or utilise this as part of your marketing, then hopefully you can get something from this video.
Okay, so here you have my stand. This is just a clothes rail that I bought from Argos, and then I had this banner printed, and it's got all my info on there, and it's got a QR code on there as well, so people can scan that and go straight to my website. And then on the table, TV playing some films, obviously really important, just showcase some of my work. There's the whole setup, dead simple, but it's just a case of having a TV on offer. I've got my awards there, just to instill a bit of trust. Obviously I've got my camera there, I was actually using that on the day as well. So for me it's just a case of having my TV there and showing off my work, having a sign with my name on it, and a way of people being able to scan that QR code and go straight to my work. It saves me having to have business cards to hand out, and I didn't want one of these big corporate banners that you see at wedding fairs, so that really works, having that clothes rail. It looks a bit more classy.
And it's as simple as that, you know, that's my setup. I don't have to spend too much on elaborate displays or equipment or anything. Things like business cards and banners and all that sort of stuff. It's a low cost setup. It suits me and my brand. I try to be minimal and discreet with my videography and my approach to my filmmaking. And on the wedding day itself, I like to be background, minimal, discreet. I sell myself as that, so it kind of ties in that my setup is minimal and cost effective as well, which helps to be able to showcase my films, have a TV, have them playing, and have a point of focus that's going to attract people in. Like the banner, it's clearly got my name on it and what I do, and it's got that QR code there that they can scan as well, so they can go straight to my work. I don't have to hand out business cards or flyers or pricing guides, which I wouldn't recommend doing for wedding fairs anyway, because you have all these flyers printed and these pricing guides printed, and then 6 months down the line your prices change. So in today's age, everything's more digital. I want them to follow me on Instagram, I want them to see my website, so the QR code helps in that respect. And I've got a couple of awards there for the authority as well, but it's just a really simple setup. And the most important thing that I can have as part of my wedding fair display is me just being stood there and talking to couples. Wedding fairs aren't for everyone, but they are certainly a great arm to your marketing, and there's loads of benefits and reasons to do them. And obviously you're going to have couples coming through the door that have either booked the venue that they're attending and are looking to book suppliers. They might not be that far along yet and they're still looking at different options, but either way, if you can get chatting to them and just not selly, but just a nice, simple, friendly conversation, like let it happen organically. Say hello as they come over, ask them, you know, if they stop and look at your films, just go, hi, I'm Adam, this is me, you know, how's it going, how's your day going, are you engaged, are you getting married here? Questions like that. You know, just show enthusiasm and be polite, be nice. Don't try and sell yourself. Don't go, what's your date? Oh yes, I'm available. Don't push yourself on them. Just be like, oh, so are you getting married here? Oh, amazing, that sounds great. You know, I love it here. I do videos, I shoot here all the time. And just keep it nice and conversational. And, you know, if you are interested, yeah, just scan this. Or I tell you what, if you got your phone on Instagram, I'm Adam Wing Films, follow me on Instagram. You know, just keep it, you don't need business cards. You don't need to sell it too much. Just keep it simple. And in terms of couples, you might get some inquiries from it, you might get some bookings from it, and that's amazing. You might not, but there's other reasons to attend a wedding fair. There's other benefits. Every other supplier in that room is a potential new connection for you, for your network. You're going to meet photographers there, you're going to meet caterers, you're going to meet the venue dressers, the florists, they might have a magician or a singer. The venue itself, like if you get invited to a wedding fair and you can make a good account of yourself and show yourself as professional and easy to get along with and chat to the venue staff, then they're gonna, you know, potentially recommend you and invite you back. And certainly as videographers, what we can offer is I'll bring my camera and I'll shoot a bit of content for you at the wedding fair, and you can offer that at the venue. Do you want anything for your Instagram? Do you want any content filming of today? I can send it over, and they'll love that. They'll love you for that. And same with the other suppliers. And it just helps with your networking. Over the years, I've got so much more out of networking with the other suppliers and the venues at wedding fairs than I have out of directly booking couples. But then obviously that network and connecting with those photographers, those suppliers, has then led to bookings down the line. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. And if you have any wedding fairs coming up this summer, or you're towards the back end of the year when these things start to happen more frequently at venues, then hope this serves you well, and let me know if you have any questions.